Here's our kitty cat Gizmo, having a drink of water in the morning at the bottom of our stairs. Gizmo. And we're off. I was going to show you some of my aloe vera plants out here. They're growing really, really nice. I need to find somebody to give a few to. A couple of big guys in there. This little wheelbarrow, our builder's son made it for me. So that would have been in 2022, the beginning of it. It's still holding up. And there's Roatan's driveway. It's still all bundled up for the night. Haven't opened up the windows or anything yet. Okay, let's go to the beach. Well, the sun's just getting ready to come up. I can see our boat gentleman in the background coming. We see him every morning. He must go to work somewhere west of us. And it looks like the skies might clear up a bit. Granny's looking for crabs. There's the sun coming up. We're walking back towards home now. Sure looks like someone's having a storm out there. I don't know if it'll come our way or not. But we always welcome the rain here. Do not complain about it. I have clothes hanging out on the line and it rains. I just figured they needed a second rinse. They dry eventually. She's a beautiful sea. You notice how that turtle grass is almost all gone? Everything up on the beach now is old turtle grass. Kind of cute how sometimes Gizmo comes out to meet us. Where's Gizmo? Where is he? I see that tail. There he is. There's the boy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. How are you? Okay, we're gonna play chase. Let's go home. Come on, get on the path, Brownie. Come on, boys. Come on, Brownie. They're still looking for that cat. Anyway, here we are. Here's Mr. Mike. Good morning.